5,000 years ago, a great saint poetess lived in today's Tamil Nadu in Srivilliputtur near Madurai, who is regarded and worshipped as an avatar of Bhumi Devi or Lakshmi Devi. Her name is Andal. She belongs to the greatest worshippers of Lord Narayana, Lord Vishnu or Krishna. She had so much divine love for Lord Narayana that she fiercely refused to marry a human being. When she was a very beautiful girl and only 15 years old, Lord Narayana himself appeared to priests in the dream and ordered them to arrange Andal's spiritual marriage with him. When Andal entered the Vishnu temple, where her divine marriage was arranged, she ran with great joy and ecstasy into the Garbhagriha, the sanctum sanctorum, and in a miraculous way merged with the Vishnu Murti and disappeared forever from the physical pain. In the following, you can see a dance to one of Andal's original devotional song in which Andal calls her lovely Sakhis, her lovely maiden friends, to come with her to the river to worship Lord Krishna or Lord Narayana in order to obtain worldly fame, prosperity, and also immortality. In this song, Andal describes a beautiful moonlit time in the holy month of Maragadi, which usually lasts from 14 December to 14 January. She further describes Lord Krishna's divine beauty and mighty divine powers to her friends. After learning to sing and fully understand the meaning of Sri Andal's song, Kumari Soma Shekhari choreographed a dance to it, which she now presents in honor of her adorable Sadgurudev Sri Paramhams Omkarananda Saraswati Ji, the born sage, mystic, genius, philosopher, and writer, and Sampurna or complete avatar who appeared on earth in the auspicious month of Maragadi. Om.
மார்கழி திங்கள் மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாளாய் 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 நீராட போதுவே போதுமினோ நேரிழையே நீராட போதுவே போதுமினோ நேரிழையே சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி செல்வ சிறுமிகள் சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி செல்வ சிறுமிகள் சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி செல்வ சிறுமிகள் சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி செல்வ சிறுமிகள் பூவல் கொடிந்தோழிலம் நந்த கோபன் குமரன் பூவேல் கொடிந்தோழிலம் நந்த கோபன் குமரன் பூவேல் கொடிந்தோழிலம் நந்த கோபன் குமரன் பூவேல் கொடிந்தோழிலம் நந்த கோபன் குமரன் ஏராந்த கண்ணே யசோத இளம் சிங்கம் ஏராந்த கண்ணே ஏராந்த கண்ணே யசோத இளம் சிங்கம் ஏராந்த கண்ணே யசோத இளம் சிங்கம் கார்மேனி செங்கண் கதிர்மதியம் போல் முகத்தான் நாராயணனே நமக்கே நாராயணனே நமக்கே பரி தருவான் நாராயணனே நமக்கே பரி தருவான் நாராயண பாவாய் ஆறும் புகழ படிந்தேனோரம் பாவாய் மார்கழி திங்கள்.
Thank you, Somaji, for such a devotional dance performance.
And special thank to Somashekari, her dance, and no, let me say first say to Arpitaji, that strong-hearted disciple of Kumara Somashekari. She is now fully in the line of doing not only in that beautiful dance, but also she learns mantra from Kumari Somashekari. And this is very, very important. You see, friends, even you can see here how beautiful was this chanting of these coming rishis which you are sitting over here. This type of mantras, clearly it is said that this type of mantras can stimulate our mind. So because our mind is so terrific, rotating around. Give me, Mrs. Dua. So that it is very, very difficult to control. But you tell me, believe me, this chanting was very, very specially for this here. And then let me come also to Somaji, the dance which you have done for this Andalji. It's great, it's simply great. And I'm sure Kumari Somashekariji, Andal was presently over here. She doesn't want to speak openly, but she's definitely here and was very, very, very happy to see this kind of dance here. I also